When we experience hot flushes, we get this increasing, surging rise of energy throughout the body. Now, this can happen perimenopausal time, it can happen postmenopausal time, it can also happen due to stress and other reasons for hormonal fluctuations. So whatever the reason is that you feel that you're carrying excess heat and excess energy and maybe feel a little bit irritable or angry at the same time, there is a pose that we can do to really help us let go and release some of that excess heat. So this is a pose that I learned recently, and it's called the Queen Butterfly Pose. Now, it's a queen pose because you are going to use all of your props. So I've got blocks, bolsters, cushions, blankets, everything here. And the more stuff that you can collect from around your house, the more restorative and relaxing this posture will be. So we're just going to do the one pose. We're going to hold it for around 5 or 6 minutes and maybe hit pause as you go grab all of your soft things, and we'll get started together. So hopefully you have all of your bits and bobs now, and let's get set up. So we're going to begin by placing a couple of blocks at the top of the mat. So the idea here is that we're going to create some height. If you don't have blocks, you can use books, you can use anything that will lift you up. Shoebox, any of those kind of things. And then we're going to place a bolster or a couple of pillows from your bed along here, so we've got a nice little bit of height. I also like to add a pillow because that gives a little bit more height for the head, which is also extra relaxing. Then I'm going to bring this pillow down for my feet and I'm going to take a blanket and place this just at the base of the bolster. This will help reduce the kind of drop off here because my bottom's going to go here, my back here. So if there's any niggles in the lower back, you want a little bit of extra height there. You can also pop a pillow beneath your bottom if you think that would be helpful too. And then we will come onto our seats, and sometimes a little bit of height beneath the feet can feel good too. I'm going to grab one more block just to show you this one. If you have frozen shoulder or any kind of shoulder issues, you want a little bit of height on your sides as well to support the arms. So you could have another couple of blocks or you could have a couple of cushions. Then slowly bring yourself back. Take another blanket to lay over you. And if it's hot, you still want to lay this blanket over you, just over your middle, because this will give you a little bit of just softening. A little bit of weight on your stomach can feel very soothing to quite a wired up nervous system. So if you have something beneath your hands, that can feel very nice. If you don't, your arms just relax down, but just be mindful of the shoulders here and how they feel. And when you feel comfortable, you can close your eyes. Take a few breaths here. And if you are feeling a lot of energy surging around you, see if you can take note of the air moving around the arms and the hands, around the feet. And take a couple of breaths here. And as we get into this stage of our life, maybe you're perimenopausal, maybe postmenopausal, wherever you are in your journey, knowing that taking time to do less can have a profound impact on everything in your day. My teacher called this pose the Queen Ager Pose. A Queen Ager because we need to put ourselves first. See yourself as the queen of your life. And allowing heat and excess energy to leave the body from within the hips, the belly, the chest, the armpits, wherever it collects for you. And just breathe steady here for just another minute or two. And if you wish, you can choose to stay here for another 5 or 10 or even 15 minutes. When it's time for you to come back, you can gently bend into the knees and very slowly sit yourself up. Take your time to thank yourself for giving yourself a little pause in your day, and hopefully you feel a little bit more balanced. And this pose is one of the magical restorative poses that we share on our Yoga and Menopause course. It's a 6-week practical guided course that leads you through the transition through perimenopause and post-menopause, discusses all of the ins and outs, and offers some very practical tools for helping you navigate these changing waters. So if you'd like some more information, give us a message and pop into our membership. The course is included in the membership. It's really not expensive and it's really good. So have a look at that. Let us know if you have questions and hopefully we'll see you there.